Hi, it's Mimi from Living Well Kitchen, and today I am making the post-workout smoothie of your dreams. You know when you get home from exercising and you're so hungry and thirsty, but you have no energy to think about what to eat or drink? I have you covered with these melon berry pineapple with cucumber smoothie bags. You really only need these in water, but I'm gonna add a little bit extra to them by using coconut water, like the bag suggests, and some yogurt for extra protein so you feel full and satisfied for hours. These Wyman's frozen fruit smoothie bags are my lifesaver. You don't have to open 6 different bags of frozen fruit and veggies. You don't have to chop anything. You throw it all in a blender, or in my case, a mini food processor because I can't find my blender. Ooh, it's gonna be so good. And then we'll add our yogurt and then top it with coconut water, or any type of juice that you like, and blend. And that's it. It's amazing. And most importantly,
So good.
it tastes amazing. I like to make sure that the ingredients are cold, and obviously these will be frozen. And then you'll have a nice chilled smoothie for your post-workout snack. For the full recipe, visit Living Well Kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share.